Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Are you wondering what this book is and why I am carrying it around with me? Well, let me tell you that this is a journal. And in today's video, let me introduce you to the beautiful world of journaling. I will also share with you how writing a journal has benefited me personally and what are the different types of journals that you can maintain. So I hope you're excited and let's get started. So a journal is like a diary, and in it one might not only express opinions and observations, but might also indulge in some philosophical writing, self-analysis and impressions about society and cultural trends. You know, journaling may seem like a new trend right now, but it is not. Did you know that journal writing has been practiced for long time, and many historical greats had the habit of maintaining a journal? Journals by Leonardo da Vinci, Winston Churchill, Marco Polo, and the famous diary by Anne Frank are popular till date. So if this is such a powerful habit, if we follow it, we may find some amazing benefits out of it as well. So let's see what are the different types of journals you can maintain. Has it ever happened to you that you woke up from a dream all confused and with a lot of questions? You're not alone. If you want to understand your dreams better, you should probably start writing a dream journal. As the name suggests, this journal is about recording or writing down your dreams. Dreams can be weird, but recording your dreams as soon as you wake up gives you an insight into your subconscious mind. Dreams can reveal the fears that you didn't even know you had and can show the impact of the relationships and activities of your life that have printed itself onto your mind. Knowing your dreams better help you feel more in tune with your subconscious mind. It can also help you gain some control over your dreams and manipulate them. This is called lucid dreaming, like directing a movie when you're sleeping. Your dreams may not be as mysterious as you thought, and if you maintain this journal, it could be a really fun, exciting hobby to have. A food journal might seem like a weird, obsessive thing to do, but it can be incredibly beneficial. Food journaling can help you understand your body in a better way. These journals are very handy when you are looking to get fitter or simply understand your eating habits. To maintain a food journal, all you have to do is note down your food habits on a daily basis. Noting down details like how much food you consumed, what you ate, or even who you ate with. Some people go a notch deeper and even mention the time and the location, plus how they felt before, during, and after each meal or snack. In my personal opinion, I'd recommend doing this on the Healthify Me app because each time you enter, you will also get calorie and macro breakdown, which may give you a lot of information for your health. Because travel is my favorite thing to do, maintaining a travel journal is my favorite thing as well. It helps me reflect on my travel experiences and knowledge, and is a collection of people, adventures, stories, new experiences, and discoveries that I have during the trips I take. So in your travel journal, you can note about the trips you want to take or the trips that you've already taken and what are some of the experiences you've had during those trips. Even though there are many apps that will help you record your travel experiences, reading your experience in your own handwriting has a completely different flavor to it. So I personally prefer to keep my travel journal in a diary. The next journal I want to talk about is possibly the most common, a gratitude journal. Being grateful for what you have keeps you in check with the reality of life. Therefore, maintaining a gratitude journal where we note down things that we are grateful for in our day-to-day life is a lovely idea. Not only does this keep us humble, but it also helps us lower our stress levels and get a greater sense of calm in life. And honestly, for me, gratitude journaling gives me a whole new level of clarity. Since this has become a super popular format though, you'll find many gratitude journals in the market today. I'll leave links to some of the good ones from Amazon in the description box below. You can consider checking them out. The next journal is also one of my absolute favorites, a reading journal. Reading books is an essential part of our day-to-day life. I honestly see books as brain dumbbells that help me strengthen my mental muscles. And that's why I like to keep a track of what I have read and what I'm going to read in the future as well in one place. By maintaining a reading journal, you can record your reactions to what you've read and even keep notes of important takeaways from books in one secure place. After completing a book, even erudite readers tend to forget what they've read. So a reading journal can help you remember the story, the characters, and the feeling you got after reading those books. I personally like to maintain this journal on my iPad because I also do a lot of my reading on the Kindle app on my iPad, so it's easy and convenient for me because it's the same device. Okay, so I saved the most important one for the last. As we go through life, our brain is often hijacked by ideas. And these ideas can come in at the most random times, while we are traveling, in the bathroom, or even when we are watching a YouTube video. And most of these ideas are often flushed down, just like forgotten dreams, because we never ever remember them when we actually need them. So maintaining an ideas journal can come in super handy here. It helps one to record random ideas in one place and develop them into execution when the time is right. For this one in particular, I recommend maintaining it in a digital format on your phone. Mainly because ideas can strike us anytime, right? And the one thing which almost all of us have with us at all times is a phone. So it'll be easy to open an app and record the idea as soon as it strikes, because even 5 minutes of delay can cause you to forget that idea. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Remember, your journal is for you. There's no correct way to write a journal. You are in charge. Just because somebody is making it look super pretty or somebody is keeping it super basic doesn't mean that's the right way for you. Try to find the rhythm that works best for you, and that is when you will see maximum success. Do let me know which of these journals is your favorite in the description box below, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.